paying $25 a month to n8n for automations, you're literally burning your money. Today, I'm going to show you how you can self-host your n8n for just $6 a month and also free for 2 months. You don't need to be a coder for that. You just have to follow the video till the end. So let's get into it. So why self-host n8n? So there is a quick comparison between the n8n cloud and self-hosted environment. So for n8n cloud, the plan starts from $25 a month, and it is limited. It is limited to 25 executions per month. And in self-hosted environment, it is a free. You can like host it wherever you want, and like you can select your regions, and it offers unlimited executions, unlimited workflows, and it starts from like $6 a month. And yeah, if you are a total beginner and you are just starting out, I would suggest you to go to the n8n cloud, because it offers like a instant sign up and ready to go workflows. And if you have learned n8n, and if you are already making automations from past 1 month, then you can opt for self-hosting n8n and n8n. So yeah, first click the link in the description to get 200 free credit on DigitalOcean. That will cover your server for months, and basically it will be free for like whole 2 months. So you're good to go for the whole 2 months for like testing, and like basically if you want to try things. So once once you are on that page, you will see a pop like your 200 credit, just claim it. Just click on get started and create a new DigitalOcean account. Okay, so now my DigitalOcean account is created, and you just have to do this work. Let's just select personal, and yeah, we now have our DigitalOcean account with $200 credit for 2 months, valid for 2 months. So once you are logged in, and you will need to do add your billing method. This is the first step which you need to do. Just click on just go to the left side of this tab, and if you scroll down, you will see the billing method. Just click on that, and it will load you the billing page. And if you scroll down a little, you would see this payment methods. Just click on add payment method, and just add your credit card details here. So now I have added the card and payment methods. So now what you need to do is you just need to scroll down again in the left tab, and just click on back. And if you scroll down enough, you will see this marketplace. Just click on that, and here search for n8n. Select the first search result. So now we are going to create an n8n droplet in DigitalOcean. So you just have to click on create n8n droplet, and what it will do is it will automatically create a new n8n droplet with the latest stable version. So yeah, we wouldn't need to do like any coding or stuff or whatever. So now you have to select a region which is closest to your location. So I'll just select New York, and if you scroll down more, you will see, okay, so n8n is selected by default. Okay, so you don't need to change that. And if you scroll down more, you would have like options to select from like various plans. It's like $8 per month, which is offering like 1 GB CPU, 35 GB SSDs, 1000 GB transfers, and yeah. But for 90% of you guys, $6 per month would be like more than enough. So yeah, I'll also be selecting this $6 per month plan, which offers 1 GB CPU, 25 GB storage. Like that's more than enough for starting out. Okay, so and you can select the automated backup plan if you want. It just costs you like $2 per month for daily backup and $1 per month for weekly backup. So I think you should select this. It just costs to like, it just add $2 more to the plan. So yeah, I'll be selecting daily backups, which yeah. So then for authentication method, I'll be creating a password. I'll be selecting a password, then creating a password. This will be, make sure to store it in a safe place, because we will be using this for to log in our n8n's instance in the console. And yeah, so let's just create it. Now just click on create droplet here. Okay, so now what we need is, we need a domain. So we would need to get that, and you can just go to the Namecheap website. Here we can get like domain for like as low as $2 per year. So yeah, just create an account here, and I already have account, so I'll just log in. Okay, let's do method.lol. Okay, so it is for 1.80. Okay, so let's get this, add to cart, and yeah, we don't need any of this. So just click on checkout, domain registration, domain privacy. Okay, great, and just click on confirm order. Just make sure to add your card details here in the billing section, and then you are good to go. Okay, just click on continue, and click on pay now, and yeah. So now we have our new domain. So just click on manage, and here you can come here, and you will see all the details which we can like edit. So yeah, so for our domain method.lol, what you have to do is, you just have to click on advanced DNS, and here we'll be adding details of our DigitalOcean instance which we created for our n8n. So now just go back to the n8n, and just click on this. This is the droplet which we created for hosting our n8n, and copy this IPv4 address. Just click on copy, come here. We would be adding a new record type would be a record, host would be, IP address would be the IPv4 address which we copied from the DigitalOcean, and the host would be n8n. So just click on this green tick here. Okay, we are good to go now. So let's get back to our DigitalOcean n8n instance. Okay, so now just click on access here, and just click on launch droplet console. Okay, now it says connected, so we are connected to our n8n instance. And when you log in, when you connect to the console, it will ask you for the subdomain. So the default is n8n, so I won't be changing that. So just click on enter. And domain name, so we purchased the domain as mithul.lol, so we would enter mithul.lol and we will just click on enter. And this is the email address which will be handling which would be for your SSL certificate. So you just need to enter your email address here, and click on enter. Would you like to configure a time zone? If you want to configure a time zone for your location, you can do that. I'll just click on enter here and ignore that. So now it will install the n8n instance on our Docker. And once it is done, we can launch our n8n on the domain we purchased. So let's just wait for that. It will take like a few minutes to install. Then we can access the n8n on the domain which we purchased. Okay, so installation is complete. Access your new n8n server in a browser to continue. Okay, so let's just copy and paste it in our new browser. So okay guys, the n8n is successfully self-hosted on our DigitalOcean. So you just have to create your account here. So I'll just create and we'll get back to you. So you can customize n8n to your likeness. So I'll just select software as a service, which role describes you, business owner, myself. Okay, now so just click on set me a free license key. What this key will do is it will enable all the premium features for the self-hosted n8n. So now just go to the settings here and click on personal, and then go to the usage and plan. Now you just have to click on enter activation key, and you have to paste your activation key which you will be receiving on your mail. So let's copy our license key and let's paste it here and just click on activate. So now our n8n, okay, so now we have activated our n8n instance on DigitalOcean. So we can now create workflows, unlimited workflows here, and it also offers unlimited executions. So yeah. One last thing, people ask how do I update this when a new version comes out, because n8n pushes their update like every other week. So what you have to do is you just have to come to the DigitalOcean here and just click on droplets, and then select your droplet, and then you just have to click on console from here, or you can just come to the access and click on launch droplet console here. And I'll be pasting the 3 commands in the description. Also you can use that to upgrade your n8n instance whenever you want.